Hello and welcome to this session of Kabir's Car Spa. We have this Premier Padmini which had We had received this car for the polishing work, but on inspection we found out that the shape was not as per its defined shape. So when we further inspected, we saw all the holes and some parts were rusted and they were that dent work, the tin work was not done properly. So we were advised to go ahead with the tin work. So once we went on removing the parts, each part was worse than the other part. Ultimately, we went on replacing the running boards as well as wherever there were holes and all. We tried to remove all those. So it was advised to do a undercoat, and the paint also, it was not painted also from the inside. So with all the touch up, it was decided we go for the paint work also to do the full painting of the car again. We had to remove the windshield also because there was rust near the windshield also. So ultimately we had to align all the doors and all the door. It was just like making a new car restoration. So it was advised to go for the candy red paint, which is a very expensive paint, which has got 7 coats. So it was a 9 hours effort to get the best result for the paint. And apart from that, we tried our best to give the car whatever we could, because it's a vintage car. And we thank Jason for having faith in us on the workmanship, and we wish him all the best. So whenever you want to do the vintage cars, you have to take a lot of work, because one more Fiat car is awaiting. With the non-availability of the parts and all the things, it's very difficult. Even there were some problem with the electrical parts also. We fixed them. So do keep watching the video and do make it a point to call on us for accident vehicles, for restoration, to get the best quality job done. Thank you and take care of yourself.
Switch shit up.